Erud Van served as a tech marine of the Death Guard during the Great Crusade and Horus Heresy. Known as a forge tyrant amongst the 14th Legion, Van was a master of both alchemical warfare and technological systems. With Mortarion's decision to aid Horus Lupercal in his traitorous rebellion, Van would remain loyal not to the Imperium, but the Mechanicum, renouncing his legion and becoming a Black Shield under the warband of Endred Har, the War Orphans. Serving as his second-in-command, Van would fight the Zana incursion wherein he would be wounded by Har. Objecting to his decision to help the Calidus assassin assigned to raid the secret weapons facility beneath the renegade planet of Zana II. Yielding to Har's will, reluctantly, Van would deactivate the explosive collars of the prisoners of Zana and lead the forces that would capture the Ordinatus weapon, Ulator Asherax. By the battle's end, denying the War Master 3 deadly Ordinatus weapon platforms to use in his war of treachery and betrayal.